guys, I hope you're well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and an unboxing kind of unbagging, just a first impressions bag video. Haven't done one of these in a while, just because I don't, first of all, I'm really impatient, like ridiculously impatient. I just rip things open. I have no thoughts about that, like filming videos and stuff. Second of all, I just didn't know if you guys want to see them or if you find them a bit braggy, showy-offy, or if you do actually find them helpful. So if you do, then leave me a comment and let me know, because it's always really interesting to hear you guys' opinions, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up too. Those are the best ways for me to tell if you like a video, is if you comment and leave a thumbs up. Then I'll be like, okay, this is a good one, I'll do that again. So yeah, that's always really helpful. I've got Penny here with me today. I basically can't sit down on a chair in this house without her jumping on my lap. So anytime I'm sat down, she's usually involved. So today, I have with me the Tory Burch bag. I don't know what it's called. Tory Burch. As you can see, I ripped it open and then was like, oh no, wait, I'm gonna film a video with this. So yeah, this is it. Let me take it out. So I got it from My Bag, not from Tory Burch or any other website. So I got it from a website called My Bag. I don't know if you've heard of them before. It was actually a really generous gift. Though I did get to pick it. They said I could pick something from the new in section, and I was like, woo! There's so many amazing brands there, so it's really hard to choose. They don't do like the high level designers like Chloe, Gucci, those kind of brands. They do more the C by Chloe, Tory Burch, Alexander Wang, who else do they do? Coach, Marc Jacobs. Was it Marc by Marc Jacobs? But yeah, they do quite a lot of different brands, but they're kind of more the between 100 and £600 to £700 price bracket, rather than that kind of high level over £1,000 bags, which is really good. I think this one was, I'll put the price in the description below on screen. Probably should have had that information. Actually, let me find it now for you. So this one is £235. And it does come in black and red too, and they also do a slightly bigger one in the same kind of style that's got like quilting, almost like, it really reminds me of the Gucci one. It's got like the quilting and all different directions, and then it has the Tory Burch logo, which you can see it's imprinted here, which is what I really liked. And I really liked the leather. It's kind of like a pebbled leather, so I think it won't get marked as easily or like scratched, but it's got that mark in like gold at the top. So they've got quite a few really nice bags from Tory Burch. They've got loads of other ones. Those are just the ones that I'm telling you about, like the crossbody bags, because they're similar to this. But I really like this. I think it's a really handy size. It's like the perfect size for my phone, and also I just know I'll be able to fit other things in there, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to try and do like an in-depth kind of first impressions review type video for you guys, so hopefully you'll have all the information you need. But one more thing about My Bag before I get on to talking about the bag itself is that they always have discount codes on. So I just went on the website to check the price of this bag, and immediately there was 15% off for new customers. So if you're a new customer, you get 15% off, and also they had 20% off the new new releases. Don't know if this is a new release. Well, it was on the new in, so potentially you would expect that. So I'm also going to email them and see if I can get a code to get discount for you guys on the site as well, or like free next day delivery or something along those lines, so I can help you out. So let's get on to the actual bag itself. So I haven't got anything from Tory Burch before, like literally nothing, not even like sunglasses or jewellery, don't know if they do jewellery, or like clothes, nothing though. My friend Josie, you probably know of her, Josie, her Instagram's Josie London, Josie Fear, she has really nice Tory Burch collection. Like, she has so many beautiful things. I always see it on her, so it's a brand that I've been aware of and really liked their stuff for a while, but I just haven't got to a point where I've seen something that I'm like really want. It's just everything I really like, but there's nothing that I've been like, I need that. But they do have really nice swimwear. So this is the camera style bag, and I just love, it's called the New Cream, and I don't know if that's because it's new in or because it's just like a new cream, but what I really love about it is kind of like a pinky cream, but not too pink. I don't know, can you see against here what I mean? And it kind of reminded me a bit of a like Gigi Marmont bag, but it's not as big. I think it's a really cute size. It's got 2 compartments, so just take that there's a little cardboard bit. There's like a little, at the back here, there's a little section where you can put some cards or something, and that's actually magnetic, which is good. So it won't be as easy if someone just like slip their hand in, take something, which I've heard is quite common on those pockets. Then you've got the 2 compartments, so let's take all the tissue paper out. The first compartment, they're quite small compartments, but I am going to see what fits in them shortly, so we can have a look at that. And then the second compartment, they've got these easy, it's all silver details, which I didn't realise when I ordered because I'm more of a gold girl, but I do think I'll wear them. And then the long crossbody straps in here, and we've got some more tissue paper and stuff. So that one is slightly bigger, I'd say, than the other one. And then there's also a little pocket at the back too. So you've got that pocket, the 2 compartments, and then you've got the little back compartment. And then what I love the most about this bag is the strap. So let me take all the tissue paper off it. And this strap is not cream, which is what I loved about it. It's, I don't know if you call it yellow or an orange, but it's just the most gorgeous kind of citrusy colour. I don't know what else to call it. Is that yellow or orange? Comment below what you think. So yeah, what I really loved about it is that it's got this strap that is a different colour, because I just thought it was quite cool and a bit different, and just made a simple bag a bit more interesting. And I think that the yellowy colour goes so nice with the cream. I wouldn't put them together, but it actually looks so nice. I think that the black bag might have a yellow strap too, but I just think it looks nice with the cream. And I don't really have, considering how much cream I wear, I don't really have a cream bag. It's also got an adjustable strap, so I found it a bit long on this one. It just hit my hip, and I like them to sit a little bit higher up, so I'm just gonna shorten it now. You can see it's got 7 settings that it can go on, so 7 different lengths that you can wear it on. And it has got one of these little almost belt loop type things, which I find very handy, because I just can't bear it when a bag has got a adjustable bit and then you adjust it and then that bit's just like pinged out. So yeah, you can make it shorter, which I obviously just have, and it looks so nice crossbody. Do you know what, I also would wear it as a belt bag, because of the way that these are at the bottom and not at the top, it will sit like that if you wear it as a belt bag. And because this is detachable, you can wrap it around yourself. Obviously that is quite big, but you could put it on the biggest one and wrap it around twice, or you could just add another strap or belt, be inventive with what you've got. So I really like that, which I think is a way that I would wear it a lot in the summer, definitely as a bum bag, because I feel like in the winter it's quite hard to wear bum bags because you've got so many layers on that it's like but yeah, so that's why I went for it really, is I just really liked the colour. I like that it's got this kind of pebbled material. I love the imprinted logo, and the thing that really got me was a strap. I just think it looks so cute with this strap. And I think it's quite good size too, like you don't need to carry around your whole life. So I've just grabbed my handbag that I'm using at the moment so I can show you what will fit inside. So the first thing, my phone. Now it is an 8+, but it has got quite a chunky case on it as well. So I've already said this fits. It looks like it will. Yep, that fits quite easily. No, that definitely fits easily. Look, we've got plenty of room in there. Next is Every Girl's Essential, a lipstick. That fits in easily as well. I feel like it's kind of like a bit of Tetris it's going to be, but we can fit a lot in here. So next we've got a card holder. Please tell me that other people's look as messy as this. That fits in quite easily, and also I feel like a card holder is something that I would definitely forgo if I was using a bag like this and I didn't have as much space, because you don't need all your cards all the time. If I was using a small bag like this and I didn't have much space, then I would just get my bank card and ID or whatever I needed and stick those in the back there. So now I've got my portable charger, and this is a beast. So I'm not sure if this is going to fit, but we're going to try. It does look like it might be the right length. But it is a bit of a beast. No, I don't think that's gonna go in. Oh wait, guys, the beast is in. The beast is in. My Anchor charger has fit in there, and that is like a brick. Anyone who knows me will know how big that is. then obviously it's no use without cable, so we'll put the cable in there. So I think that's that back pocket full with the cable and the anchor. So we've got portable charger, phone, card holder and lipstick so far. Let's see what else. So I've also got some sunglasses, which pretty much aren't necessary right now, but let's see if we can get those in too. I'm not sure if I can get them in with the card holder. No, I think, oh wait, we can, but it's a push. Okay, they can go in, but it's a bit of a push. So let's see if we can do it up without damaging the sunglasses. Okay, we've got them in. So we've got sunglasses. This is it. So like obviously it's not like completely flat and stuff, but it looks nice still. It's not like pushed out completely. And we've got a phone, card holder, lipstick, sunglasses, a battery pack, like a bloody big battery pack, and my phone is annoying me so much. I have to have it on loud because my doorbell rings through my phone. It's annoying, sorry. Just wanted to let you know why that is. I'm not turning it off. And a cable. So, if you didn't have such a big battery pack as me, or you don't need one because your phone keeps battery, then you could fit a ton of other things in there. Like if I didn't have my battery pack, I could fit my camera, which you guys are on, in there. Also, I'm always happy, as I said, card holder, don't need it. Also, phone, like realistically, it's always in my hand or my pocket anyway, so I could easily just put that in my pocket and not have a space in my bag. Also, something that I haven't tried in here is my car keys and phone house keys, but I normally put them in my pocket too. This is the thing, like with having a small bag and liking the small bags and having a lot of them, I've come to realise in life that the answer, what's going on here? The answer to having a small bag and not enough space is deep pockets. You need deep pockets. So if I'm going to wear a bag that is like really small, then I'll just be like, right, I need to wear something with good pockets. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't class this as, I mean, it looks really small, but I wouldn't class this as really small because you can fit a lot in here. So the last thing I want to talk to you about, guys, because I want to make this very informative, and I'm trying to be better at my videos and make them more informative and useful for you guys, which they should have been all along, is ways that you can wear it. So the main reason I got this as well is because I was just like, do you know what, this is such a classic. I'll wear this all the time. So I don't think you could class it as a summer or a winter bag. Obviously, smaller bags are easier in summer because you don't need to carry much stuff around, but realistically, in a bag that's this kind of size, you're not thinking about carrying a jumper or a coat or an umbrella anyway, and I don't carry things like that around, so I don't think that it matters, summer, winter, what size your bag is. Have I just completely contradicted myself? I think I might have. But yeah, so summer, I think this will look so cute with a little summery dress, little denim shorts and a t-shirt. It's just a really simple bag, and also I think with a simple outfit look really nice because it's got that little pop of colour which will kind of like add to the outfit as well. I do think bag straps can really like add a bit to an outfit. And then I want to show you a couple of outfit ideas too, so I'll show you them like while I'm talking. Not the summer dress because it's blooming freezing, and last time I tried to show you guys summer outfit ideas, I got a telling off, so I'm definitely not doing that again. So I would wear it just with like jeans and boots and a t-shirt or a jumper, just a really simple everyday look, and it's just a really nice bag for that. I would also wear it on like a little date night. You could wear it like under your arm like this, or across the body over the shoulder. There's loads of different ways you could wear it with a blazer, jeans and heels, jeans again. I'm a jeans girl, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, let's not say jeans, let's say like smart trousers and a nice top. I would wear it, and then also I think you could wear it for like a night out if you wanted to, if you're going like clubbing, dare I say. I'm not a clubber, again for me it'll be like jeans and heels, but yeah, I think there's so many different ways you can wear it. And I also want to show you how you could wear it as a bum bag. I think bum bags look so cool with blazers, and also with like, if you've got a nice bodysuit and jeans kind of combo, I think it looks really nice. So that's how I would wear it, and to be honest, I'm struggling of ways that you couldn't wear it because I just think that this bag is a classic. And for designer, I think it's a really good price. As I said, they always have discounts on, and in case you missed it or getting a cup of tea or something when I said it to begin with, this was a gift, so just wanted to reiterate that. Reiterate? reiterate that and say thank you to my bag. Thank you so much for the generous gift. I'm very grateful. And yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy seeing me style this up. If you want to see how I'm wearing this in my everyday outfits, then make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I post daily outfits over there. And in my stories too, I do my daily outfits every day that are like not necessarily Instagram worthy. I do my little OOTDs. And if you miss my vlogs, then you should definitely follow me on Instagram for my stories, okay? So that's everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, as I said, it's the best way for me to find out if you like a video, so make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Also, if you got to the end, leave me a little emoji of an orange, get it, for the strap. And that way I'll know who watches to the end, and it really means so much to me. So I want to know who watches to the end, so I can personally thank you. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.